Logging in using your credentials. Open Google Chrome and type the customized gateway URL provided in your welcome email into the address bar. Enter your username and password in the login fields. If you are an admin user and want the ability to make calls and viewing the office map, make sure the Sign In as Admin checkbox is left unchecked. This ensures you are using a paid license for full functionality. Checking the Sign In as Admin box grants you access to most administrative features, such as adding phone numbers and uploading leads without using a paid license. This option, however, does not allow phone use or access to the office map, so live calls cannot be made or monitored. Once you've selected the appropriate sign-in option, click the purple sign-in button to access your account. For more helpful videos, go to help.readymode.com.